Good morning, it's Patrick from Mortgage Choice in Berwick. I just wanted to spend a couple of minutes sharing another story on insurance and some potential negative ramifications when you don't consider it. So I wanted to share a story that we tried to help some clients with. It's a family of parents in their mid-40s, 3 young kids under 10. They built some equity in their family home. They'd received some advice to buy an investment property, which they sought the funding for. They went ahead and purchased the investment property. So this might be a story or a case that you might relate to. After securing their investment, we sat down, explained the risks of increasing their debt and obviously 3 young kids under 10. I presented them with some protection solutions, which in the end they decided against taking on any protection. Shortly after these discussions, and this is where it really breaks my heart, the wife fell violently ill, and then within 5 months she passed away. After exhausting their cash savings, exhausting her super, the husband was left with no choice but to sell off the investment property at a loss. That got them through for a period of time, and eventually they were in a situation where he had to then leave his job and sell the family home just to be there for his kids, to support them financially and emotionally. Eventually he got to a position where he couldn't do it on his own and had to move interstate to be with his family to support him to raise their kids. Whilst it was really tough on the family, it was really hard for us to try and help them where we could. But I guess the lesson learned from this is, if you're in a situation where you're thinking about increasing your debt, you've got young kids, really think about your financial risks and how to mitigate this with the form of personal protection. It's something I'm very passionate about and something I can help you with. So if this is something that you are thinking about, I encourage you to give me a call to work through some of the options available to you.